Hello friends, so today I'm just going to show you how you can create a drop down in an Excel sheet. Okay, so I have an Excel sheet over here. Alright, so I have sheet 1 and I have a sheet 2 which I renamed it to data. Let's say I have some information of country. Okay, so let me write down that particular information over here. So I'll just write the header information as country and all the list of countries. I will just mention it down of the header. Okay, so I'll just mention Australia, I'll just mention Argentina, I'll just mention Brazil, then India, then oops, yeah, Malaysia. Okay, Thailand. Okay, and France. Alright, so what I'm going to do is the first thing I will just select all these rows and I will put this in a table. Okay, so just have to go to insert, click on table. You'll get this particular information which says equal to $A and $3, that is column A and row 3 to column A and row 10. We're just putting all this information in table and just select this checkbox my table as headers. Okay, so this is the first thing that you need to do. Second is this, that you need to put all this information apart from the header into a formula for which we need to define a name of. Okay, you need to put all this information in a list. So I selected row 4 to row 10 and I clicked on formulas. From formulas you just need to define a name. Just give the name as my country list. Okay, and click OK. So you have the table ready, you have the list ready. Now you're good to create a drop down. So click any of the cells where you want to drop down, and once you click on it, go to data and click data validation. From this particular drop down you just need to select list. Okay, once you select list, in the source just use equal to sign at the start, and here you just need to call the list which you created in the previous screen. Okay, so the name which I had given was my country list. Okay, so once I clicked on OK, I'll be able to get this drop down: such Argentina, Brazil, India, Malaysia, Thailand, France. Cool, so you got this particular information in a drop down. Alright, and one good thing about this is that if you want to add some more information, for example, let's say I go ahead and add England. Okay, and if I go back to sheet 1, if I click on drop down list, I'll be able to see England over here as well. So that's it guys, thank you for watching these videos. Goodbye.